Hi, my name's Joanne and I work on the product team at TomPlay. I'm super excited to share with you the new TomScales product, which helps you practice your scales with a range of amazing accompaniments from classical to epic to bossa nova and jazz. Let me show you how it works. If you go onto your TomPlay app and you type in TomScales and then hit enter, so then you can see all the scales that we have here for saxophone. So I'm going to pick one in D major, which is here. So once you've picked your scale, click download, and then let's have a go at playing. So this is what that looks like, and when you are in your TomPlay score, you can choose your audio track. So let's start with the classical accompaniment. We'll keep that one on. I'm going to take the saxophone off because I'm going to play it, and let's have a go. Now the great thing about this is that you can play this with lots of different audio tracks. So this time let's try it with a jazz accompaniment. So I'm going to stick with the same scale. I'm going to turn off the classical accompaniment this time, and let's have a go with a jazz one. Thank you for watching. Just a reminder that TomScales is available for loads of instruments at various different difficulty levels, so go check it out for your instrument.